Sometimes our generated or captured photos need enhancement to make them usable. They may look blurry, low resolution, or out of focus. And that's where an AI photo enhancer becomes essential. AI photo enhancer speeds up the editing process and improves the photo quality within seconds, something that could take a lot of efforts in Photoshop. One of the best AI photo enhancer right now is 4D Dig AI photo enhancer. It converts low-resolution images into high-resolution ones with just a single click. It can even restore old photos and bring portraits back to life using AI algorithms. So today I'll show you how to use it step by step. So let's get started. First, download and install 4D Dig AI Photo Enhancer from the link in the description. I've already downloaded and installed it. It's very easy to install and download. After opening, you will see an interface like this. This is a pretty simple interface. It's very easy to understand. And now click on AI Enhancer. Here you will see 4 options: Video Enhancer, Photo Enhancer, Video Colorize, Photo Colorize. Since today we are working with Photo Enhancer, so let's click on the Photo Enhancer. And here you will see some sample photos, but we are not going to use these photos. So to import photos, just click on the Add Photos to use your own image. Once the image loads, an interface like this will appear. As you can see, this is a low resolution blurry photo. If I zoom in, you can see it's a blurry out of focus photo. So we want to enhance these photos. We want to increase the resolution and also enhance the quality of this photo. On the right side, you will find 3 AI models. The first one is general model. They say it helps you to improve clarity and vibrancy. Good for landscapes, buildings, animals, etc. And the second one is face model, best for portraits. Restore natural skin details and expressions. And then the last one, denoise model, removes noise from grainy photos, perfect for night and indoor shots. So as we are working with a portrait, let's click on the face model. And below that, you can upscale the image to 1x, 2x or 4x, or choose a custom resolution from here. I'm going with 4x for this photo as this photo is very low resolution. And next, under AI Enhance, select either Quality Fast or Speed Fast. I'm going with Quality Fast here. Finally, click Enhance and the processing will start instantly. In a few seconds, the photo will be ready. Earlier, the resolution was very low. You can see it here. And after scaling to 4x, it becomes lot better, and you can see the resolution here also. The difference is clearly visible. You can see, if I zoom in, you can see it clearly. Look at this. The blurry image is now clean, crisp, and sharp. Look at the hairs and eyes. And now let's try another one. So import your photo just as before, and I'm gonna use this picture. Here you can see how low quality it is. And for this image, I'm gonna use general model. Keep the other settings as default and click Enhance. Just a few seconds and done. Look at the difference. The photo has transformed into a sharp and vibrant image. I think it has done a great job here. Look at the edges. They are really sharp. And to save it, simply click on Export option and you are done. And now I want to colorize the black and white photos. So for this, click AI Enhancer, Photo Colorizer, and then add your image. I'll use one of the sample photos here. And on the right side, you will get 2 options: General Model and Face Model. So I'm going to use General Model for this picture because it's a landscape photo, not portrait or anything. So I'm going to use General Model. And you can choose the resolution 1x, 2x or 4x. I don't want to increase the resolution here. So if you want to colorize and also to enhance the resolution, you can choose 2x or 4x. And then click Colorize. In seconds, the black and white image turns into a full colored photo. The most importantly, the color looks natural. Here is the before and after. Photodig AI Photo Enhancer is an excellent all-in-one tool to improve photo quality. It upscales low-resolution photos, fix the old photos, colorize black and white photos, sharpen photos, and all and everything with just one click. If you want fast and professional photo enhancement, definitely give this software a try. And that's it. I will love this video if you did. Hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.